Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a technique called kissing. It's when you take two inks and you just kiss them together to make another um totally different image, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Right here I have spun sugar, and I will show you. I will stamp this up. I also have shaded lilac, so these are the two colors I'm going to use today. So let's say you have this stamp, and let's do an impression right here. And let's say you have this. Oh boy, of all the colors I had to pick a light one, huh? Let me, hold on one second. Let me try something here. Let me see if this is any better. Okay, it is kind of better, even though it's dark. So, you see how you have that image there? It's just a boring teacup, right? But, what if you want, because that's a solid right here, what if you wanted a design on that? Oh, no, I said teacup. Or I guess it could be tea or coffee. Let's say you wanted a design on here. All right, so I'll show you what you do. You ink it up again. And I'm going to take this image too. I'll show you in a second. I'm going to take this and just kind of stamp it, maybe like this, to give it a little thing, a little design in the middle. All right, so I'll show you that. Sorry, I had to get another block. So we have this stamped, and now what I'm going to do, get this out of the way. What I'm going to do now is put this stamp right on here, okay? I'm going to ink that in this color. Okay. So then we're going to take this image and we're going to kiss it with this one. Just a little bit like that. I'm a little out of frame here. Okay. And there you have the teacup with now a cute little swirl going through it. So it gave it a design. So if you don't want the teacup or the coffee cup to look like this, kind of boring, plain, whatever, you can do the kissing technique. And it will come out just like that and give it just a bit of a design. So that's just another technique, another tip and trick I wanted to give you with these stamping techniques. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.